So let us do the iPhone. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's nest. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Apple products that I got for Christmas. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo! Okay, so let us start off in order. So let us do the iPhone. Oh yeah, I was supposed to like rip off the tabs. I kind of already did. Like I've actually used these a lot already for work, but I wanted to refilm it and pretend again. So they are only a couple days old, so I mean like it's whatevs. Let's just pretend I'm ripping the tabs off. If you actually want to see the true like tab ripping off, I have it on my TikTok, so you can check it out there. The inside of the box has the cable braids and the little pick for putting in the, what do you call it? The SIM. I think I heard the US doesn't have that, but the Canadian version does, so I can still put a SIM inside, and I think you guys are doing like an eSIM, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, I already like set it all up because you have to get the ball rolling. There's my screen, and here it is. She's so pretty. Like I am like over the moon with how happy I am with this model. It's like absolutely stunning. I got this really cute case off of Amazon. I wanted the little circle thing that I see like all iPhones have. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it does. I think it's like for fast charging or the magnetic tray thing. I don't know. I'm new to the Apple ecosystem. It's been a while since I've like had like an iPhone. Last iPhone I had was like the 13 and I returned it, so that like even technically doesn't count. My last actual true iPhone was the iPhone 4. To kind of give you an idea of how like, yeah, so that's what she looks like. Super freaking cute. I got the Pro Max in the colorway Desert Titanium, and in the storage space of, what's the storage space? The 256. Yeah, so that is what she looks like. So happy. I have already slapped on the case. I want to say, guys, that I love this little selfie button here for like taking photos. Like you just tap it once to get into it, and then you just like tap it again to like take a photo, and it's really good. Like it's really great. I am loving the full size of this. Like it's just chef's kiss. Okay, all right, let's go on to the unboxing for the iPad mini 7th generation. I want to say, yeah, 7th generation. I had the previous generation. I had the, I want to say the 6 series, so this is really exciting. The box is different, the colorway is different. Did you guys know that it says mini on it? I don't know if you can see very well in the camera. Someone had pointed that out in one of the reviews. It says mini. I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. I like this color better. This pink color is prettier. It was blue in the space gray, and I had to stare at that for like 3 years. And as an aesthetic person, that bugged the hell out of me. I was like, I just can't. So I have already ripped open the tags because I had to install my thing for work, but let's just pretend. Oh, shoot, I suck at these. Okay, let's try again. And then the top one as well. Let's just stick that on and pretend we're taking that off. I still feel really excited reopening this. I was so excited to film the unboxing too. Like I know it's not like a proper unboxing because like I've already opened a lot of it, but I just feel like I just want to share the joy with you guys again. Like it's not like I buy Apple products every day or every year for that matter. So I was like, we're gonna have a good time and you guys are gonna come along with me and have a good time with me. I find opening these boxes is insane. Like I don't know how people do it. Like I see in these tutorials, they just like slide open. They do not slide open for me. Like I don't know. So the colorway that I ended up getting for the iPad mini was the Starlight in 128 GB modification, and this has the A17 Pro chip. So that is really powerful, and I'm really excited because I do use this one for work, so that really does matter a lot. Comes with this little box. There's no more stickers inside of these things. It's just like manual stickers. Oops. Yeah, it's just like the little manual sticker things. Manual booklet, sorry. It doesn't come with stickers anymore. It had in the past, and so I do still have them, and I stuck it on the back of it. No more stickers. And then the braid, I kind of started opening it, and then I realized I was like, I haven't filmed the unboxing yet. So yeah, this is definitely a very chaotic unboxing, but it still has like the little tab thingy still stuck on it. So for the sake of the video, let's actually take it off. Like now I can take it off. Let's check out what the braid looks like. That's pretty cool. And the thing I'm also really happy about is that they are no longer lightning. I do still have some older Apple products that have the lightning, like the keyboard. Yeah, the keyboard still has the lightning charge. So I do have some of those around the house. I do really prefer everything just being the C-type. It's just like a lot easier. My work phone is C-type. My laptop is C-type. A lot of things are C-type. So it's just really nice. I just one cable plugged into the wall and just call it a day. And I don't have a bunch of like regular, the lightning. The lightning is the only one I need to charge that, so I don't really need it, so I keep that put away. Oh, I can peel this on camera for you guys. Oh, that's nice. But I kind of want to stick it on there. Let's just leave it on there for now. Oh, that looks so nice. That looks so proper. One of my favorite things about Apple is the fact that their products are white. As a minimalist, I love that. I love that it's clean, that it's white. It's just like matches my room. I don't really like dark products, if I'm being completely honest. And a lot of tech, as it's geared towards men, is dark. It's like black, and that's fine if you love a sleek vibe. And I do know that a lot of actual like minimalists in the minimalist community do really like black. It's very chic, but it's not my preferred colorway. So I'm actually really glad that a lot of the basic model stuff, like the base model colorway, or like, yeah, the theme for Apple is white, which is like really nice. Oh right, the iPad itself. So it had come in the paper. I already put it on the case because I needed this for work. So let's look at the paper. And slapped on a case. So there is what she looks like. Oh, I should show you guys the front. So it's actually the same size as the iPad mini, the previous generation, which is great because I was able to use the old case that goes with it. I have two cases. I have a black one, and the black one I would wear for when it was my other iPad, when it was like the space gray. And now that the Starlight matches so much better with this case, I think I got this case in China. It's not the official Apple, which I do have the official Apple, and I'll show you guys that in a sec. And then on the back, the official sticker from one of the previous Apple products that I had. I still have it, so I stuck it on there. And then these beautiful, cute little stickers, unfortunately, did not come with the Apple product. These are from She's French Cowboy Cafe stickers. If you want to check out her shop, I definitely recommend it. They're super cute. They are fantastic. I didn't stick them on. I cut them out so I can move them around, because sometimes I want to put this inside my phone. Sometimes I want to put it here. So if I stuck them, they'd kind of be stuck, and I prefer to like move them around like little widgets. And then over here is what it looks like. The store had set up my iPad to do this whole like cloud thingy. So then when I installed it at home, it like everything went back onto it. So like it's not like it's not fresh in that sense. I was thinking about starting like on a fresh slate. But then I thought about it, like I need my work stuff on here. So that's what she looks like. I don't have a lot on it. You really just use the main page for work. Smart folio, I got it in white. Yeah, probably not the smartest. This is for the iPad mini 6th Gen. It's the official like Apple one, the smart folio. Show you guys that. It's magnetic, so it like, and it's like velvet on the inside. It's so freaking pretty. Yeah, it's probably gonna get dirty and whatnot, but like that is okay. I just want that white aesthetic on my desk, everything just being white together. It's just like chef's kiss. So those are my Apple products for the end of 2024. I'm really excited to start the new year 2025 with some new goodies and new Apple goodies to just enjoy myself and really enjoy work, because it's nice to have like fresh tech. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.